So a lot of people ask me what the USUFRUCTO clause is, and this is designed really just to explain that to you. The USUFRUCTO clause is designed to enable you to give your partner, if you own a property, the right to live in that property, but without them actually owning it. Now, why would you do that? Well, the reason for this is in case the partner remarries or the partner needs to go into care. For example, you own a property, you own it 50-50, which you do in Spain, and then you die, you leave it to your partner gets married or remarries, then subsequently dies. The whole property would go to their new spouse if a will wasn't in place, otherwise directing it to your children or your beneficiaries. With the USUFRUCTO clause in place, it gives your partner a right to live in your half of the property, but they never actually own it. So that means that when they pass away, it is possible for their half to be inherited by their children, your half to be inherited by your children. They could remarry, for example, and if they then subsequently died or divorced, only their own half could be taken into consideration. That is also true with care as well, because more and more of us are living longer, and as such, it is likely that 1 in 3 of us are going to need care. Now, that care is not going to be provided free of charge. Even more so in Spain, they will use your asset. So, if half of your property is firmly there in writing for your beneficiaries, that 50% cannot be taken into consideration when looking at the care fees of a survivor. So the USUFRUCTO would be very similar to that which we would call a trust in the UK. So it enables the survivor to have a right to reside, a right to live in the property without owning that half themselves, giving full protection of the property for the beneficiaries, who are normally the children, but also giving protection for the partner or spouse as well, because it enables them to be able to live in the property without being forcibly evicted. The beneficiaries cannot touch their half of the property until the survivor passes away or the term which has been put in place for their being able to live there comes to an end. So, an USUFRUCTO is essential for all couples who own a property because it provides full protection for the beneficiaries and it provides full protection for the partner or spouse.